Hello, crypto fans. Welcome back to Crypto Maways, your everyday crypto friend. If you're interested in anything VeChain and other cryptocurrencies, here is the place to be. Please like and subscribe so that we can keep you informed on the newest crypto news. Let's get started. In the wild world of cryptocurrencies, you can expect anything from promising projects that moon into space for no explicable reason other than sounding promising and living off the short-term hype, to projects that are rock solid, with continuous and increasing adoption in the business world, with real-life applications, but that, for some reason, are either stagnant in their valuation, still undervalued, or still overvalued. VeChain is a blockchain designed to improve supply chain management and logistics procedures. To deploy smart, complicated supply chain solutions, blockchain uses distributed ledger technology, DLT. Sunny Liu established VeChain and the VeChain coin to provide a strong foundation for constructing a decentralized architecture of data management applications in the Internet of Things. The creator intended to tackle economic problems by creating a solution to a particularly fraudulent supply chain sector. VeChain's uses continue to expand, and the project's scope has expanded. Today, the project's operations revolve around the management of enterprise information across multiple businesses. This data is critical for product verification, supply chain transparency, and the transfer of value and confidence throughout its network. Why VeChain is a good investment? VeChain is one of only 2 crypto projects that have centered their business model on leveraging blockchain technology as a service, BaaS, via their VeChain toolchain platform, out of the hundreds that exist in this ecosystem. Whereas most crypto projects are competing fiercely to decentralized finance, DeFi projects, tokenize assets, or safely transfer value from one individual to another, Bitcoin, VeChain has positioned itself in a unique position that will impel this company to become a crypto heavyweight. VeChain has no competitors and is a pioneer in bringing blockchain technology to solve everyday, real-life problems faced by many businesses around the world. VeChain has a template solution for every one of these businesses, no matter how small or large they are. Unlike many other crypto projects, VeChain team is a perfect blend of business and technical expertise. Starting with its CEO and co-founder, Sunny Liu, who left his job as CIO of Louis Vuitton in China to pursue his passion in the blockchain industry, and who decided to pursue blockchain technology to solve one of China's most pervasive problems, the rampant commercialization of counterfeit goods. As you may or may not be aware, China has a significant problem with counterfeit products, ranging from dealing with the large-scale proliferation of fake luxury goods to dealing with the deadly consequences of adulterated infant formula during the 2008 Chinese milk scandal. If you want to know if a company is a good long-term investment, one factor to consider is who is backing the project. In the case of VeChain, a couple of well-known US billionaire venture capitalists have decided to invest their money and attention in the project. Let's begin with Jim Breyer, the founder and CEO of Breyer Capital. Jim has a track record of making excellent early investments in companies such as Facebook, Etsy, Legendary, Marvel Entertainment, Spotify, and 21st Century Fox, to name a few. Fun fact: he is the brother-in-law of Elaine Chao, the current U.S. Secretary of Transportation, whose family is from the international logistics industry. VeChain's connections and partnerships are extraordinary. As previously stated, VeChain has been at the forefront of implementing blockchain technology solutions in some of the world's most renowned companies' supply chains. VeChain is paving the way for real-world application of this technology in well-known Fortune 500 companies such as BMW China, H&M, LVMH, Mo Hennessy Louis Vuitton, Walmart China, Bear China, ENN, BYD Auto, PIC, ENN, Shanghai Gas, DIG, ASI, and others. VeChain has also formed strong strategic alliances with PwC, the world's second-ranked accounting firm and one of the Big Four, and DNVGL, a leading global assessment and certification society. VeChain is able to ensure high-quality standards in the implementation of this technology within established businesses due to the impeccable reputation of these 2 strategic partners. Let's talk about VeChain Thor Energy, VTHO. The VTHO token is an alternative spelling for VeChain Thor Energy, also known as VeThor Energy. It is used to power VeChain transactions and is equivalent to the cost of conducting transactions on its blockchain. To pay for writing data to the VeChain Thor blockchain, VTHO is required. This means that any transaction, such as sending tokens or data to a smart contract, must be paid for in VTHO. The amount of VTHO required for a transaction is determined by the size of the data to be sent. A simple VET transaction costs around 30 VTHO, whereas sending a data-filled transaction to a smart contract can cost up to 1000 VTHO. The price is not the same as the transaction cost. This enables two mechanisms to keep transaction costs stable. The VeChain consensus is central to the VeChain network. VeChain does not rely on mining. To validate transactions, it employs a consensus system based on proof of authority. All transactions are validated here by a group of master nodes. Following Know Your Customer (KYC) processes, they are chosen by the VeChain Foundation and the VeChain community. VeChain price history and its current market position. In early 2021, a bull run catapulted the cryptocurrency ecosystem to an all-time high in market capitalization of $2.5 trillion. However, that run has come to an end as the market is experiencing a downturn. The majority of cryptocurrencies have lost value. For example, Bitcoin's price has dropped from an all-time high of $64,000 to $35,000. In the same vein, VeChain's price dropped from 27 cents to 10 cents. Is this going to change anytime soon? What is the potential price range for VeChain by 2025, as well as the VeChain price prediction? The current price challenge for cryptocurrency assets is not a new phenomenon. Several bear markets have occurred in the crypto ecosystem over the years. It does, however, recover after a while. We anticipate that VeChain will soon begin to rise. A close examination of its price chart over the last week and month reveals that the cryptocurrency is in an accumulation zone, with a price range of 1 cent to 12 cents and firm support at 70 cents. As a result, an upward trend is unavoidable. For VeChain, there are two types of predictions, short-term and long-term. We have already seen an increase in the value of VeChain, VET, due to the use of VeChain's blockchain in the months of April and May. This means that increased blockchain usage is linked to increased blockchain adoption by businesses, which has a direct correlation with the value of the VeChain token. Let's look at the partnerships that the ecosystem has already formed to analyze the forecast of VET's direction. VeChain collaborated with BMW to implement a card verification system. However, the car verification platform, known as the Startup Garage, is simply a continuation of the VeChain BMW collaboration. Price prediction for VeChain, VET, in 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024 and 2025. After analyzing the price chart with various technical indicators, many crypto experts predicted a price uptrend for VeChain by the end of the year. Fundamentals, on the other hand, attest to this as well. VeChain has grown as a result of its strong ties to the Chinese market, which is one of the most difficult markets to break into with blockchain technology. They are headquartered in Singapore and have strong ties with a number of government agencies and businesses. As a result of these collaborations and deals, adoption will rise. As a result of these factors, the VeChain price prediction for the end of 2021 is 3 cents. VeChain is expected to reach 20 cents by the end of 2022 and $0.38939 by the end of 2023, based on current trends. The price may also rise in tandem with the increase in market capitalization. Long-term analysts predict that the price of VeChain will be in the 6 cents to $1.25 range by 2025, according to technical analysis. For example, Digital Coin Price Forecast predicts that VeChain will be worth 60 cents by the fourth quarter of 2025. This expansion would be fueled by the development of numerous blockchain-based projects. Another thing to think about is the token supply. VeChain has excellent use cases, but it has a large token supply. With 64 billion tokens in circulation, the demand-supply ratio will be affected, which may cause the price to fall for a while. In conclusion, $75 appears to be a bit too high to reach by 2025. Although there are exceptions, it is extremely unlikely. So how much will 10,000 VeChain tokens will be worth by 2025? We cannot predict the exact amount how much will it worth, but without being biased, If VeChain price reach up to $1.25 in 2025, 10,000 tokens will be costing $12,500. The current value of VeChain is $0.08699. So if you buy 10,000 tokens right now, that will be worth $869.90. It means you will get the estimate profit of $11,600 by 2025. We evaluated VeChain and examined various VeChain price predictions. We discovered some bullish forecasts as well as some extremely bullish forecasts. The good news is that there are no long-term bearish predictions for the coin, implying that there are no risks. Everyone expects the partnership's VeChain network to expand and remain consistent. In the long run, there is no downside to this investment. So don't delay in reserving your VeChain tokens. So guys, this much for today. If you liked it, consider liking it, sharing it with your mates, subscribing to the channel, and turning on post updates. If you have any suggestions, drop them down in the comment section. If you like to know more about VeChain, check out our previous videos. Have a good day.